T20I series. 5 runs the difference between India and England at Nagpur. Excellent game, low scoring game. Ajit Agarkar will be delighted as a bowler to watch bowlers in action. Let's get to our match day match points. And first, Ajit, the seamers for India. Bumrah and Nehra, 5 for 48 in 8 overs between them. What about the way they bowled made it so hard for England?
The conditions really well with what the English bowlers did, and it was clear that you had to hit bowl into the pitch. It started holding. It probably was a good toss to lose in hindsight for India, but these two guys made sure that they bowled the right length and the right ball at the right time. You know, there was a situation when before Stokes got out. Ashish Nehra kept going length the first couple, and the ball that he got out was a slow ball, which was slightly fuller, which so doesn't let the batsman settle. Plus the big boundaries on any given day. But if your thinking is right, and Ashish's experience helps there. I think Bumrah's those two overs were pretty special.
Yeah, just that last over, just defending what was 8 in that last over and mixing it up. Got lucky with one LBW call. Let's be.
Bowls at a decent pace when you actually roll your fingers when the pitch is holding. The batsman can't line you up. It's harder. You have to hit a really good shot, wait, and then connect, which is a very difficult shot to play at that stage. And a big round helps. Gives bowler that much more confidence that if it's a miss hit, it's not going to go out of the park. Look, that ball to Buttler was a really special ball. After those two slower balls, he had lined him up to again wait for that slower ball. It was not only was the ball on stumps, but at good pace, and the length was spot on, which like I said, was really smart. What the English bowlers did in the previous game, or even this game for that matter, Indians learned and respected the conditions and learned what to do in those conditions.
Yeah, well, they have their bowlers to thank for keeping them alive in the series. Talking about the batting now, man under pressure, that takes us to our second match day match point, was KL Rahul. 71 of 47. Again, a man who they're saying, okay, is he not fitting here just as well? In hindsight, looking at how hard it was, second highest score being 38, that was a good innings.
A terrific innings, I think. 71 out of 144 tells you. Everyone else found it difficult, and there are some really experienced and good to bat. He's far too good a player to try and hit every ball. I think he probably needs to calm down a little bit. But Rahul did that. Probably started a little bit slower, and some of the shots he played to play those shots on a pitch which was gripping against the spinners, it made it look like a completely different pitch to what the others were. But you had to stay on the pitch. He was because there's a game every 2 days these days. There's a lot more scrutiny on players. He was a little bit under pressure because India has not been getting good starts, and he was clear. Really, Rohit Sharma is a big miss, so he's going to slot in when he comes back. So Rahul needs to keep getting runs, which he did today spectacularly.
Yeah, we saw the comparison with the England batsman. Ajay, thank you very much. At least it gives us an exciting third T20.